Okay, let's go.
It's possible. Homeowners dread the mess, dust, and cost of ceiling renovations. But what if you could get a clean, modern, durable ceiling in just one afternoon? No drywallers, no dust, no hassle. Today I'll show you 5 PVC ceiling panels you can install yourself, with real Amazon deals, and a full step-by-step process. These panels are waterproof, mold-resistant, and easy to work with. This is a real, long-term solution. Welcome back to Tools and Decor USA. Links to my top panel picks and deals are in the description. Let's dive in and find the right panel for your project. First up, let's talk about Panel A, the budget-friendly starter that's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their ceiling without breaking the bank. If you're new to ceiling projects or just want something simple and cost-effective, this is where you want to begin. Panel A is incredibly lightweight, making it a breeze to carry, lift, and maneuver, even if you're working alone. It's especially handy for spaces like rentals, basements, garages, or quick house flips, where you want a fresh look without a lot of hassle or expense. At just 5 millimeters thick, this panel is thin enough to cut with nothing more than a sharp utility knife. That means no need for power tools, no clouds of dust, and no complicated setup. Just score, snap, and you're ready to go, making it ideal for DIYers of any skill level. But there's a trade-off for that lightweight design. Panel A isn't the most rigid option out there, so you'll want to make sure your ceiling framing or strapping is spaced no more than 16 inches on center. This extra support prevents sagging and keeps your ceiling looking crisp and professional over time. Installation is refreshingly simple. Start by attaching a J-trim along the edges of your ceiling for a neat, finished look. Then just slide each panel into the trim and fasten it through the hidden flange. The fasteners stay out of sight, giving you a seamless appearance. Don't forget to leave a 1/8 inch gap at the ends of each panel. This small space allows for expansion and contraction as temperatures change, and your trim will cover it up so you'll never see it. When you reach the last row, simply rip the panel to the right width using your utility knife, then finish the edge with another piece of J-trim for a polished result. With the right support, Panel A delivers a clean, modern look that's surprisingly durable for its price. It's a fantastic choice for anyone tackling a ceiling project on a budget, or for those who want a quick, satisfying DIY win. If you're curious about current pricing or want to see more details, check the description below for the latest Amazon deals and product links. You'll often find discounts or bulk packs that make your project even more affordable. The transformation you can achieve with Panel A is impressive, turning a tired, outdated ceiling into a bright, clean space that feels brand new. Whether it's a rental unit, a basement rec room, or a utility area, you'll love the results. Lightweight, affordable, and easy to install. Panel A is your go-to for simple upgrades. You don't need special skills or expensive tools, just a bit of patience and a willingness to try something new. Just remember, support is key. Take the time to measure and fasten your panels properly, and you'll get a professional-looking finish that lasts. For small spaces or tight budgets, this panel delivers big results. It's proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a ceiling you're proud of. Ready to see what's next? Let's move up to the next level and explore more premium options for your ceiling project. Meet Panel B, the mid-range workhorse. If you're looking for a ceiling panel that strikes the perfect balance between affordability, durability, and a premium look, this is the one you'll want to pay attention to. Panel B is designed for homeowners who want something a step above the basics, but don't want to break the bank on high-end options. Thicker at 8 millimeters, it's more rigid and spans up to 24-inch joist spacing. That extra thickness means it won't sag or flex, even in larger rooms or over wider gaps. You can really feel the difference when you handle it. There's a reassuring sturdiness that makes installation easier and the finished ceiling more solid. It feels premium, hides imperfections, and gives a flatter, more uniform finish. The surface is smooth and bright, reflecting light beautifully and making any space feel more open and inviting. If your ceiling has minor flaws or uneven spots, Panel B covers them up effortlessly, saving you time on prep work. The price is higher than Panel A, but worth it for main living spaces. Think of it as an investment in comfort and style, especially in rooms where you spend a lot of time or entertain guests. You'll notice the difference every day, and so will your visitors. Installation is similar. Start with a level J-trim, use a sharp blade or fine-tooth saw for cuts, and fasten with screws for a secure hold. The rigidity of Panel B actually makes it easier to handle during installation, since it doesn't bend or wobble as much as thinner panels. Even if you're a DIY beginner, you'll find the process straightforward and manageable. The tongue and groove system is tighter, making seams nearly invisible. This means your finished ceiling will look seamless and professional, with clean lines and no distracting gaps. The panels lock together with a satisfying click, so you know they're secure. Always leave that 1/8 inch expansion gap, especially important with rigid panels. This small detail helps prevent buckling or warping as temperatures change, ensuring your ceiling stays flawless for years to come. Panel B is ideal for kitchens, family rooms, or anywhere you want to step up in quality. Its moisture resistance makes it perfect for humid spaces, while its clean look elevates any living area. Whether you're renovating a busy kitchen or updating a cozy den, Panel B delivers both function and style. If your joists are 24 inches apart, this is your starting point. Many older homes have wider joist spacing, and Panel B is engineered to handle that without sagging or losing its shape. It's a smart choice for both new builds and renovations. It's a solid upgrade, more durable, better looking, and still DIY friendly. You get the peace of mind that comes with a sturdy, long-lasting ceiling, plus the satisfaction of a project you can tackle yourself. For a balance of price and performance, Panel B is hard to beat. It's the sweet spot for most homeowners, affordable enough for large projects but with enough quality to impress. Take your time with the first row. Accuracy here means a flawless finish. A straight level start ensures every panel that follows lines up perfectly, so your ceiling looks sharp from wall to wall. Use screws, not staples, for a tight, lasting fit. Screws hold the panels securely in place, preventing movement and keeping your ceiling looking great over time. This panel is your best bet for most homes. It's versatile, attractive, and built to last, making it a favorite among both DIYers and professionals. Ready for the best value pick? With Panel B, you get a ceiling that looks high-end, performs reliably, and fits within your budget. It's the upgrade your home deserves. Panel C is my best value pick. It combines the strength of a premium panel with a price close to mid-range. The secret? Reinforced honeycomb or truss-like internal design, super rigid, but not heavy. It spans 24-inch centers with zero sag and looks flawless in high-traffic areas. Installation tip: angle the panel, engage the tongue, then rotate up for a perfect seam. Use a level starter trim. Precision here pays off. For cutouts, use a hole saw or fine-tooth jigsaw. The rigidity makes clean cuts easy. Fasten with screws for maximum hold. Don't forget the expansion gap. Trim will hide it. Panel C is the sweet spot. Premium feel, mid-range price, and easy install. Perfect for main living areas where you want a flawless finish. If you're unsure which to choose, this is the one. It's a smart investment for any home. When you're searching for the absolute maximum in strength and durability for your ceiling, there's one clear winner in the lineup. Meet Panel D, the heavyweight champ of ceiling panels, designed for those who refuse to compromise on toughness. With a thickness ranging from 10 to 12 millimeters, Panel D is noticeably denser and more rigid than standard panels. You can feel the difference the moment you pick it up. This is a panel built to handle serious abuse. Its solid construction means it can easily bridge over uneven joists or wavy ceilings, creating a perfectly straight, professional-looking finish even in challenging spaces. The panel resists dents, dings, and impacts, making it ideal for garages, workshops, utility rooms, or anywhere you expect a lot of wear and tear. Of course, all that strength comes at a cost. Panel D is heavier than most, and it's definitely on the pricier side compared to lighter options. But for many, the investment is well worth it for the peace of mind and longevity it provides. Because of its weight, you'll almost always need a second set of hands to help maneuver and install these panels safely. Don't try to go it alone. Teamwork makes the job much easier and safer. Cutting Panel D requires the right tools. A circular saw or miter saw will give you clean, straight cuts, while a jigsaw is perfect for notches or working around obstacles like pipes and beams. The thickness means hand tools just won't cut it, literally. Always support the panel fully while cutting to prevent chipping or cracking. Use sturdy sawhorses and keep a firm grip on both ends. The tongue and groove system on Panel D is extra robust, designed to lock panels tightly together for a seamless look. For the best fit, use a tapping block and a rubber mallet to snug the panels together without damaging the edges. This ensures a tight, gap-free installation, that looks great and performs even better. Fasten each panel securely with heavy-duty screws through the flange, making sure to hit every joist for maximum support. This step is crucial for keeping the panels flat and secure over time. Don't forget to leave a proper expansion gap at the edges, because these panels are so dense they can exert significant force as they expand and contract with temperature changes. A small gap prevents buckling and keeps your ceiling looking flawless. Finish off your installation with J-trim or crown molding for a polished, professional edge that hides any gaps and gives your ceiling a clean, finished appearance. Panel D is a true investment in your space. While it costs more upfront, its durability and performance mean you won't be replacing or repairing your ceiling anytime soon. For demanding environments, whether it's a busy garage, a bustling workshop, or any area that takes a beating, Panel D stands alone. It delivers unmatched strength, reliability, and a look that lasts. Build it once, build it to last. With Panel D, you're making a choice for the long haul. For ultimate durability and peace of mind, this is your panel, the heavy-duty Rigidity King. Finally, Panel E, the decorative choice. If you want style, these panels come in wood grains, metallics, and stone patterns. They're perfect for feature ceilings or accent walls. Get the look of wood or metal with none of the maintenance. Still waterproof and mold-resistant, with mid-range thickness for good rigidity. Quality of finish matters. Choose high-definition prints for a realistic look. Watch for pattern repeats. Mix panels from different boxes to randomize. Install with the grain or pattern running consistently, and be meticulous with seams. Use a sharp blade and painter's tape for clean cuts. Color-matched trim or sealant creates a seamless, custom look. Hidden fastening is crucial. No visible screws. Decorative panels cost more, but deliver high-end style at a fraction of real wood. For visual impact and practicality, Panel E is your go-to. Elevate any space with a statement ceiling. That's 5 PVC panel options to transform any room. My top pick is Panel C for best value, but each has its place. Panel D for strength, Panel A for budgets, Panel E for style. Installation is simple. Start with level trim, fit panels tongue to groove, fasten through the hidden flange, and finish with trim. Always leave a 1/8 inch expansion gap for a pro result. Check the description for Amazon links and deals. Like, subscribe, and comment which room you'd upgrade. I'll reply with custom tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.